In this video, I'm going to explain how trim commands work in NX for surface modeling. Pretty useful tool, pretty much essential for doing a lot of surface modeling stuff, so good thing to know. Okay, so I made a few surfaces here. We have a cylinder and some kind of arch open surface here, and they're intersecting each other. Let's say I wanted to trim down this cylinder to only leave this bottom half here, using this purple surface to do that. This is a perfect use case for the trim sheet command. Pretty much what you want to do is select your rose-colored cylinder as the target, and then select the purple as the boundary. And region is a good thing to keep in mind here. When I selected the cylinder, I selected it up here, and that's the part of the cylinder I want to get rid of. I want to keep the bottom half. So whatever you select is going to be what is referred to by this keep or discard. If I wanted to keep the top half, I would change it to keep here, but since I want to get rid of that and only keep the bottom half, I'll change it to discard, and it will eliminate that top half there. And if I hide this purple here, you can see we're only left with this now shortened cylinder with this parabolic parabolic top. Very nice. Another thing that is useful for the trim sheet, you can use both curves, and you can also use planes to do trim. So if I wanted to cut this surface in half, I can do it using this plane here. Let's say I wanted to keep the top half and get rid of the bottom half here. I could do it like that, using the plane to basically chop it in half. And finally, I sketched in a little rectangle here on that plane, and I'm going to use it to cut a hole in this remaining part of the cylinder. First thing I'll do, I'm just going to project the curve from that rectangle onto that cylinder half along that vector. And I can hide this one as well, and I can even hide the plane if I wanted to. And that leaves us with this nice kind of cool profile looking thing that curves around with the cylinder. And then going back to the surface ribbon, I can hit the trim sheet again, click on the target, and then click on that projected sketch as the boundary, and I can cut the hole in the sheet using that. So that's a little demo of the trim sheet. It's a very useful tool, pretty versatile as well if you get used to its tips and all the tricks that go into it. Hope that was helpful, and see you in the next one.